Hi, just wanted to share a little information with you about the Silent Nights patch. I wore this for a 30-day period and just wanted to let you know a little bit more information about it. So the Silent Nights patch, that's known as the sleep patch. So it helps increase your body's serotonin levels and induces melatonin in low light. And the sleep patch, so it supports your sleep. Now it doesn't work initially right away for everybody. Everybody is unique and different. So always with this patch, try the different patching locations that are listed in the brochure. See what works for you best, but it may take a couple weeks to find, hey, this is really helping me out, or it is not. Always, first and foremost, start with the X39 patch. Um, it is recommended, um, if you haven't started with that you probably want to utilize that patch for a month or two before you begin utilizing the Silent Nights patch. Why I say that is definitely with just the X39 patch, that greatly improved my sleep. Um, by just wearing it actually only for one night. Not everybody feels results from wearing a patch for just one time, but I was one of those blessed people that was able to feel it right away. But X39 does help a lot of people with their sleep, so definitely start with that one for 1 to 2 months before you introduce the Silent Nights. I just had packs of Silent Nights, so I had been patching for well over a year before I tried it for a full month. I had tried it here and there, um, and it did help my sleep, but I was wanting to see, hey, what does this really do? So when I did do it for that month, my experience was that I really felt, less inflammation in my head and especially in my sinuses. I know our team leader Renita. She talked about actually how this does help clean your brain. Serotonin does do that. So I was like, wow, that's actually the biggest benefit that I noticed. I just have had always chronic sinus issues, so I'm always just evaluating like, hey, where do I get the best benefit to improve my sinuses? So I was just really surprised and not expecting that with the Silent Nights patch. But yeah, it did significantly reduce, that inflammation in my brain um, by wearing it for that month time period. So now I don't wear it necessarily every night, but I do try to wear it a couple nights a week, and especially if I am having more brain inflammation. For me, I did find the spots that worked best for me was like right here on the side of my head, on the right side, and then it was between my big toe and my other toe liver 3 acupuncture point. Um, that's in the brochure. Those were the two spots that I liked the best, but definitely try all of them out. See which ones you like best or work best for you, and let me know. But I just wanted to share what I noticed with the Silent Nights patch. But yeah, some of the other benefits is that you will see deeper quality of sleep. You could increased sleep duration, but always with the patches, the some of the best benefits are is it's just using light, so there's no drugs, stimulants, or any things that are habit forming in it. If you have an issue with it for some reason, you can just remove it, and it will stop providing the benefits to you. So it's really great way to, if you're like me, I'm into more natural, holistic things, and I stopped buying over the counter medication like well over 10 years ago, and we switched to homeopathic things that we can get over the counter. But um, I really like the patches. I really haven't had to go much to the homeopathic remedies that I've had to utilize in the past since utilizing the patches, because usually I can utilize one of the patches and see the benefits. And just with my digestive issues that I have, these seem to work out great for me because it uses light and bypasses my digestive organs, and works great for me. So just wanted to give you an update on how the Silent Nights patch has worked for me. Have a great day.